Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Nestled in Barbican, Kingston 6, this well-designed residence offers a retreat in the city with 3 generously sized bedrooms. This 4-bathroom home also has a powder room for convenience and comfort. Additionally, there is a dedicated staff quarters. Whether you're entertaining by your private swimming pool or unwinding in the interior or on the balcony, this home promises a lifestyle of comfort and sophistication. Enjoy the convenience of living with easy access to local amenities, schools, and vibrant entertainment options. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please, watch the entire video for more details at the end. The rental price for this house is Jamaican $350,000 or US $2,274 per month. To rent this house, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.